Hey everyone, it's Travis here at Four Seasons RV. Today we're checking out the Paradigm. The Paradigm is the luxury fifth wheel by Alliance RV. This one specifically is the 295 MK. Here on the front you do have storage compartments with your battery compartment under the gooseneck, dual 30-gallon propane tanks to give you 60 gallons, as well as a huge storage compartment that does go clear to the other side. Additionally, you do also have these awesome switches that will put out your awnings and your slides on the outside to make sure that you're not hitting any trees in your campground. Additionally, with the Paradigm, it comes with a hydraulic 6-point auto leveling system. Let's take a look inside. As we're coming inside, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And give us a comment down below what your favorite feature of the Paradigm is. Here in the dining room, you do have the free floating dinette with chairs, these huge atrium windows on your campsite. They're fantastic, as well as your electric recliners with a nice little cup holder here in the center. Additionally, here on the Paradigm, with the 2024 model, you do have night and day shades, something to kind of keep the sun out, as well as those awesome nighttime shades to keep all the lights out. Here on the back with your 3-seat sofa, it is a sleeper sofa. When it pulls out, it gives you a full queen size bed. You do also have storage cabinets above your couch, as well as storage on either side of your couch with plugs and USB plugs on both sides as well. Additionally, they give you the TV here. They've successfully put it away from the wall a little bit to give you some extra storage space behind it. You got your speaker system, and then your awesome storage space right behind your fireplace for some extra pillows and blankets. Here in the kitchen, you have a stainless steel farmhouse style sink, huge reinforced drawers. All the cabinets in these also have soft close hinges, as well as a good sized pantry space right next to your residential size 12-volt fridge and freezer. Additionally, with the Paradigms, all of the Alliance campers, they always make sure that you have counter space on both sides of your oven. In the Paradigm, you get this full-size 4-burner stove, full-size residential oven, and full-size microwave. Let's take a look upstairs. As we're coming up the stairs, the first place we're going to stop is here in the bathroom. In the bathroom, you do have medicine cabinet and some extra storage space here. Porcelain toilet with a soft close seat and lid, as well as a huge residential size shower. Coming into the bedroom, you're looking at a king size bed with a huge amount of storage underneath and those awesome hydraulic lifts, so you don't have to hold it up when you're trying to get things underneath. Additionally, across from the bed, you have your dresser with 6 drawers, shoe space underneath your dresser, as well as nice little hidden storage compartment, and your TV. Additionally, they give you a nice little bench space, great place to sit down, put your shoes on in the morning. And then you also get this awesome walk-in closet with washer dryer prep as well. If you have any questions and you like this unit, come see us down at Four Seasons RV.
Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins. KansasRV.com